guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here. I'm here today with another video. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the November 2018 Boxycharm. Yes, I'm so excited for this box. This box, when I saw it on Instagram, them doing their little sneak peeks that they do every month of what they're gonna have in the box, I was like, oh snap, this might be my favorite box that I've gotten thus far. I'm really like loving this box, just not even using anything. I'm so excited to just dive into this because it's some really good stuff, high-end stuff I've never tried, just really cute. So yes, this box looks absolutely amazing and I cannot wait to share with you what I got. If you do not know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service, a monthly like makeup, beauty, hair subscription service. I've been subscribed to Boxycharm, I would say, for about 6 months, 5 to 6 months, and I really like it. Like, it's amazing to me. For $21 a month, which is very affordable, you get 4 to 5 products. Mostly they're full-size eyeshadow palettes, a lot of things from obscure or smaller brands that you might not have heard of or tried or been exposed to. If you are a beauty lover, Boxycharm is definitely like something that you should definitely give a try, especially if you don't have a large makeup collection. I do, but I love getting more makeup all the time, and this is a good way to build up your product arsenal, try new things, find hidden gems, you know, just it's a present every month. Literally, when it comes in the mail, I literally get so excited, and I'm so excited to try this box right here. This box is called the Gold Digger box, which is so cute. This is what it looks like right here. They all come with a little pamphlet, and then they'll tell you how much everything costs in the box and also what you got. You'll see how much money you're saving and what a deal you're getting. With one product, most times you're exceeding the amount that you pay for the box. So that's really cool. Anyways, if you're interested in seeing me to this month's Boxycharm to the test, you know what to do. Just please stay tuned. But before we get started, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Just hit the red button down below and the little bell next to it so you can be notified of all my future uploads. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you keep watching. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so like I said, this month's Boxycharm is called the Gold Digger box. Everything's like gold or black and gold, which I really like. See as we get into it. As you can see, I have my base completely done. So my eyebrows, foundation, concealer, the whole shabizang is done on my face. We're going to start off with the eyes. For the eyes, I'm going to be using the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette that came in the box. Look, oh my god, that is so pretty. I love black and gold. Look at that. I cannot believe that this comes inside of this. You know, this beautiful of a palette comes in the Boxycharm. Like, this is amazing. This retails for, let's see how much it costs. This retails for $24.99. As long as this baby is good, like, you are getting your money's worth right here. Look at this. This is so beautiful. I love the warm tones. I love the berryness, the pink, this beautiful orange right here. I love orange eyeshadows, and that is so pretty to me, like a peachy orange. This is stunning. This is stunning. I cannot wait. So let's go ahead and hop into it. I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids. I did not put any powder on my lids yet. They just have some foundation on it, some wet foundation. I'm going to take this Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer. This is in the shade Warm Sand. And I'm just going to put some of that on my lids. And then we're going to blend it out. To blend it out, I'm just going to take my e.l.f. sponge that I used for my face. This is the e.l.f. Total Beauty Sponge, I believe that's what it's called. It's amazing. The next thing that comes in the box is this Luxie. I love Luxie. I've gotten a lot of brushes from Luxie from Boxycharm. They always include their brushes in their boxes, and Luxie is really good quality brushes. So I love getting new eye brush sets. You can never have too many brushes, in my opinion, because it just having a lot of brushes just prolongs brush wash day. You know, if you have a whole bunch of brushes, you can just put off washing them. These retail for $21, and this is called the Luxie Luminous Eye Set. So that's what it's called. I love the handles of these because it is sparkly. It's like perfect for the holidays. It's like gold sparkly brushes. They're really small, like detail brushes, so they're gonna be really good for the eyes. We probably will have to use a different brush to start off because these are all really small, but I like that. This is what they look like right here. They're synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for Boxycharm. There's a mini round brush, a mini tapered brush, a mini flat angled brush, and the 131 mini angled that can add a pop of color to your brow bone or precisely place color onto your crease. I'm gonna start off with the shade, I have to start off with the shade Clove because like what the heck, that's beautiful to me. I love that color, and we're gonna take a fluffy blending brush. I have this one right here, and it is a little dirty. So what I'm gonna do is just test out another product that comes in the box since I have it, and I do have a brush that I wanna use right here, but it's really dirty. It's called the Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleaner. I have been wanting a good makeup brush cleaner for the longest. I do have one back here behind me, but I got it from TJ Maxx. It was only like $3 or $4.99, and I wanted to try a good one. There's some good ones that I've heard about. One's by Parisian. You can find that on Amazon, or there's another one that I've heard really good things about, which is the Sephora collection one, and I haven't been able to get either one. It retails for $12, and it's good for cleansing and disinfecting your brushes. It's made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers. So as you can see, I sprayed some on my brush, and I'm just going to wipe it off. And you know, if you don't have a lot of brushes, this is something that's really convenient to have because you can clean your brushes on the go. All you have to do is rub it dry, and you could go ahead and continue with your makeup. It's really clean and it's dry. It does not feel wet whatsoever. Ooh, a lot of kickback. I don't know if you can see. A lot of kickback, but that's okay. I don't mind. Ooh. Let's go ahead and pop this into the crease. Ooh. So that first time was really light. That first time I dipped it in there was really light, but building it up is really pretty. Alrighty, so I have that built up in my crease, and that shade is absolutely beautiful. I love it. So pretty, so pretty. I love how it's actually like a bit darker too than it is here. You know, just looking at that, you might think, oh, that ain't gonna show up on my skin tone, but it does show up really nicely, and that's probably because of the wet concealer on my eyes too. That is my favorite trick to do to get any eyeshadow to just pop on your eyelids. So now I'm gonna go into Cinnamon, and I'm using the Luxie 121, which is their mini tapered brush, and I'm going to focus that in my crease very precisely, keeping it a lot lower than that first shade Clove. So I went ahead and cut my crease off camera. I am loving how this is looking so far though. Ooh, very fall-esque. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush that is still going strong. I've had this mug forever. When I first started makeup, all I would buy was e.l.f. I started from the bottom, now I'm here, and e.l.f. brushes are amazing. I would only buy drugstore because I was practicing. There was no reason for me to start off, you know, high end when I didn't know what I was doing. So I used to keep it cheap, and some of these products that I, you know, got when I was first starting out are still going strong, which I love. I'm a drugstore lady anyway. I'm a beauty on a budget, so I am always about saving money, and I love drugstore makeup. Let's go in with the lid shade. I think I'm going to take this shade Myrtle right here, and as you can see, I just sprayed my brush with a little bit of Max Fix Plus, and I'm going to go in and put this over. Ooh, yes. I'm gonna spray a little bit more. I think it needs to be a little bit wetter. Then I'm gonna take the clean side of the brush, which is this side right here, and I'm just going to pat over that area right here. You know what I'm gonna do? On the other side of the brush, the clean side, I'm gonna take a bit of Poppy. I love that name. Reminds me of Trolls. Go over that area right there at the edge of the place where I cut the crease and just blend that together so there's no harsh line right there. So I went ahead and lined my upper waterline. I lined my lash line with this Bang Beauty chocolate gel eyeliner. This actually came in one of my previous Boxycharms and I never used it, but I do like it. I didn't think it would show up. It is definitely chocolate. It's pretty light. It's not a dark brown, but as you can see, it did show up and I really like how it looks actually. I think it's more subtle than, you know, a black. And then I just went ahead and put on my lashes. There are some tweezers that actually came in this box. I'm excited that they included tweezers in the box. These are by Farrah brushes and these retail for $12 also. They're really pretty and they're two-sided. One side is really, really pointy right here. And then this side is like the normal like tweezer side. This is to really like get some precise hairs like on your brows, which I really like. These look really high end, really high quality. I'm just gonna use these to press my false lashes in with my real ones. And also to fluff them up. And then I'm just gonna go in with some Superhero mascara from It Cosmetics and just run that through the lashes so they blend in well. This is also a product I got from a previous Boxycharm that I really, really like. So now it's time to just finish up the lower lash line before we go in with the highlights. I'm gonna go in with Poppy because I'm obsessed. I'm gonna go in with, yeah, that's the only color I'm gonna use is Poppy, which is this beautiful plum shade right here. And I'm gonna run that from inner corner to outer corner on my lower lash line. And I'm gonna use one of these little brushes right here. I'm gonna use the Luxie 131 mini angled. The last shade I'm going to use in the Ace Beauty palette is going to be Jasmine, which is this shimmer shade right here. Very like frosty and pretty. Perfect for a brow bone highlight and inner corner. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this Luxie mini round. I love these type of brushes for inner corner and brow bone highlight. Wow, I'm not going to do too much of this because it is pretty frosty. It's beautiful, but yeah, I don't want to do too much because I think this is more of a golden look. I don't want it to be more of a silver. And this is blinding though. This is really pretty. I wish it was more golden, but that's okay. That's really pretty. In the Boxycharm, we have the Cover FX glitter drops, and these are in the shade Nova. And these retail for $44. Like, are you kidding me? I don't even know how they got this in the box, but I'm just happy that they did. I've always wanted to try these. You could go into Sephora right now and buy these for $44. And we got them plus, what, 3 other products for freaking $21? Yes. So I'm just gonna take the little dropper and I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. Oh wow, oh my God, that is so pretty. That's what they look like. Are you kidding me? Okay, you obviously only need a little bit because this is intense. I'm just gonna dip my beauty sponge in it and put it on my cheek. Oh my God, that's really pretty. I wanna see if we can make this intense. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. For the lip, I just went in with the Seraphine liquid lipstick from Anastasia. I first lined my lips with my favorite lip liners, which are the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. And I went in with Cherry Skies. And I wanted to go all out. I wanted to do bold lip, bold eyes, you know, just something extra. This would be a really nice like holiday look. It really would be for a party or something around this time that you're going out to, event or something like that. Perfect for the holidays and all of the holiday festivities coming up. So I hope you like it. Rihanna vibes, especially with his hair. I don't know, I just feel kind of Rihanna-esque right now. But yeah, as far as the Boxycharm, A freaking plus on everything. I love this highlight. It's not that intense, which I like. It just gives you that wet look. I love wet highlighters. I love a good wet highlighter. I think it's so beautiful, just with your skin's looking all dewy and wet and moist. I like that. I know people cringe at that word, but I like it. I like moist highlighters. It just gives you that wet look. It's not too intense, even though it has the word glitter in it. Don't be afraid. It's not just straight up glitter on your face. It's just a very shiny, like wet looking highlighter that's not too intense whatsoever. And I love it. So I did like everything in this box. I have absolutely no complaints. I love how they actually had tools in there. So you have a brush cleaner and you have some tweezers and then you have some makeup products too. A perfect blend of everything that I like. I love beauty. You know, you can't do your makeup without beauty tools. So I love that they included those in there too. This by far was my favorite box that I've gotten thus far. Thank you so much for watching and I can't wait to hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.
Still